KSU Students Union KSU kelarai ban penjur ban pyntreikam yala ka jong ka inline permit ILP ha Meghalaya ban telakam ya ka jingwan rong kerthap baklam sangi jong ki mynder syakani ka jela kaseng kalakam bakam don lat shu da kumwei pan nre ban shim ya ka an hala ka jong ka kti namar ka jing pan slam palat put jong ka sarkar pedeng pat sarkar jela ban pyntreikam ya ka ILP ha ka ni ka jela Ka KSU keladawaru na kasorkar pedeng ban ay ka Meghalaya dagi Sipai Territorial Army kabaya Srim kumbala ay ka Mizoram na kabenta ban yaday ki jaka kaput bat na kabenta ka bhakamet jong ka jela. Habakren syakilat patay kubor shibenta ka jingeki syongklan mengor balakot pelong da ka Northeast Student Organizations NESO hashlong u General Secretary ka KSU Samna Donald V Thaba ulaong Gila pelong yang jengki bandawa pyntreikam no mardor ya ka ILP. Henry na kaliang ka sarkar pedeng bat sarkar jela kilas ngap menti. Ka sarkar jela kam shimla shimkhia ban but dien ya ka kam bat ka sarkar pedeng. Kumta ka KSU kamban se ban pyntreikam yala ka jong ka ILP ha ka jela jongi ha ka ba ki volunteer kila beteng ban pelong ki jingkhanra ki jing talasi bat pynher krad ki mynder kumju iki beriu ki ba artatien ki bawan rung syakan ka jela. Haba keli usamla Donald ulaong ngi haban shim ya ka an hala ki jong ki kti. Ngi syapan bor ban le ya ka ne namar ba omdan an ki banya da ya ka jinglong jingman bat iki hok jong ki try muluk. Haba kedaw halur ka jinglong jingman ba menta ha Bangladesh bat halur ka jingkendang ka sarkar Assam ki mynderi uni unong elam ka KSU ulaong. Ni sngo kya jor namar kini ki beriu ki blasyak kendang na Assam bat ki basyak thombor ha Bangladesh kin persyang borba banyok rong syak ni ka jela jongi. Ulapun benaru bahadian kini ka jingaki jong ka neso ka KSU kan penjur syuk ya ka jingkhanra persyak ya ka jingwan buhai snong bean jong ki mynder syak ni ka jela. Haba keli ulaong ngimtip balik ka sarkar ka penslam ban pyntreikam ya ka ILP Henry ngi dawa na ka sarkar jela Bakan but dien ting na kabenta ban pyntreikam ya ka ILP namar ki ki jinglong jingman kilalong ki bakya shibun bat hakawai kasi kan long ka baladir palan. Kat ba ka sarkar kam patla ban pyntreikam ya ka ILP lani ki weipat ki an ki ban a jingada ya ka jat ben rio ka KSU kam ban se ban shim ya ka an haladi. Ka KSU kalarai ru ban penjur ka jing perking ha ki jaka kaput ka Meghalaya Kamtam hadin ka jingja ka balaji ha Southwest Khasi Hills. Katkum ka jing ong jong usamna Donald ki dokhat ka KSU kidang bateng ban pet ngor ha ki jaka kaput bat pelong ru ya ki jing talasi ya ki kali bat ki beriu ki bawan rung sya ka jela da ka bayat trailang bat ki kli nong sen syar snong kumju ki rang ba snong ban ithu ki beriu ki badan ka jing artatien. Ka KSU kalaya trailang ru bat ki Sipai Border Security Force BSF kumju ki pulit ka jela ban penklan ya ka jing pahara ha ki jaka kapun. Watla kata uni unong elam ka seng upen pau ka jing sokya halor ka jing duna ki bor jong ki pulit ban le persya ki beri ki bawan rung bean.
The influx issue is a very serious matter in not only in Meghalaya but in the entire Northeast region for many decades now. We have seen the demographic changes in many northeastern states, notably Tripura, Assam, and even in Meghalaya also. This demographic imbalance also used to create stir in most of the northeastern states. We have seen there are conflicts, contestation of space between indigenous people and the non-indigenous people. And the KSU Students Union under the aegis of the Northeast Students Organization had been at the forefront to demand from the central government as well as the state government to curb the unabated flow of illegal immigrants into our state and in the entire Northeast region. We have been organizing rallies, agitations from time and again, and today also under the instruction of the Northeast Students Organization in a meeting held on the 6th of this month in Guwahati, the different components of the Northeast Students Organization are organizing protest rallies across the entire region in all the headquarters, the capitals of the 7 Northeastern states. We have been, many attempts we have been organizing agitations for the implementation of ILP. However, we see that if we organize agitations, the government is adamant to implement ILP. the state government is not really serious in pursuing the matter with the central government. Therefore, the KSU Students' Union has been compelled to conduct its own ILP system in our state, whereby our volunteers along the borders, in the national highways, and even in different pockets of the state have been conducting checks and eviction drives of illegal immigrants, of doubtful people who are entering our state. To take law into our hands, we are compelled because there are no laws to protect the identity, to protect the rights of the indigenous people. Therefore, very sorry, we have to take the law into our own hands. The KSU, in view of the current situation in Bangladesh and also the ongoing eviction drive conducted by the government of Assam, we are very much worried that the flow of illegal, these people from Assam, the evicted people from Assam and the people who are facing persecution in Bangladesh might enter our state. Therefore, we will, after this program also, the KSU will continue to conduct its drives against illegal immigration into our state. We are, our members are manning the borders each and every time. We are watchful. Even at night time also, we are conducting checks on vehicles entering our state, on people entering our state. We are working with the different traditional institutions, the headmen, to identify those people with doubtful antecedents. We are also working with the police, but then it seems that the police are powerless without any legislation that can really take action against such people who are entering our state illegally. BSF also, yes, we have seen that even despite there is the BSF manning the border, people were able to enter our state. But there are certain pockets of the border, especially in the Syllad area. Our circle there is working, had a meeting with the BSF so that they will be vigilant, both the BSF and the KSU volunteers. I believe that you see that there is a demand right from the time when Apollo was the president of the KSU during the Perdiwa incident that the government of Meghalaya should create a paramilitary unit, People's Army, who will be armed to guard their borders. Recently, we've seen that the government of India has granted the Mizoram government to form a territorial army. So the territorial army, I don't know when it will come up, but that is what the government of India is offering to the government of, to the people of Mizoram. So we feel that the central government as well as the state government should also grant a territorial army into our state, whereby the personnel and even the officers will belong to the indigenous inhabitants of the state. We don't know why the government is delaying with the implementation of ILP, the central government. But we want the state, we demand from the state that it should pursue aggressively with the implementation of ILP, because things are becoming serious and one day it will be too late. Therefore, as long as the government, both the governments cannot implement ILP or any other mechanism to safeguard the identity, the rights of the indigenous people, the KSU, as you've said earlier, will have, the KSU is compelled to take the law into its own hands.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.